In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to create charts using your data in Notion, 5 minutes. We're going to turn your existing Notion database into a clear visual chart. All you need is a database with properties that make sense for visualization, like numbers, dates, categories, or statuses. If you can see your data in a table view, you're ready. Start by opening Notion and heading to the database you want to visualize. This could be a full page database or a database block inside a page. Make sure you're looking at a view of that database, such as table, board, or list, along the top left of the database area. Next, create a new view by clicking the small plus sign next to the current view name. This opens the view picker. Give the view a descriptive name so you can find it later, like sales chart or weekly activity. From the view type dropdown, select chart. If chart isn't visible, make sure you're working with a database and not a simple page. Once you select chart, Notion will open a configuration window. Choose the chart type that best matches your data and the story you want to tell. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts are perfect for trends over time, and pie charts work well for showing parts of a whole. You can switch chart types at any time, so feel free to experiment. Now configure your chart, set the x-axis and y-axis using your database properties. For the x-axis, pick something categorical or time-based, like status, category, or date. For the y-axis, choose a numeric property to measure, such as amount, hours, or score. If your data isn't numeric, use an aggregation like count to tally entries per category or per date. If you're using a line chart, a date on the x-axis with a sum or average on the y-axis usually tells a clear story. Adjust grouping or aggregation if available to summarize your data the way you need. Refine the chart with filters, sorting, and appearance settings. Use filters to narrow to a time frame, a specific status, or a team. Sort your x-axis so dates move from oldest to newest or categories appear in a meaningful order. Then tweak appearance options like colors, legends, and labels to make the chart readable at a glance. When everything looks right, rename the view if needed and keep it alongside your other views. That's it. You've created a chart directly from your Notion database. Duplicate this view to build variations for different teams or timeframes, and revisit the configuration anytime as your data evolves.